For better or worse, weight loss competitions have fallen out of fashion. At Challenge Runner, we agree that mental health is at least as important as physical health, and chasing unrealistic weight goals may do more harm than good. However, a recent study by the New England Journal of Medicine found that the average American gains a pound from Thanksgiving to New Year's. While that actually doesn't sound too bad, the problem is that they don't ever lose that pound. Therefore, instead of running a weight loss challenge, run a maintain, don't gain challenge instead. In order to create the Maintain, Don't Gain program, I will start by building a simple weight loss challenge. Next, I will change the way that data is displayed on the leaderboard to emphasize weight maintenance over weight loss. Then, I will set upper and lower milestones to mark the appropriate weight thresholds. Finally, I will add participants to the challenge and enter some data to demonstrate how the challenge might look to users. For the purpose of this demo, I will start by creating a simple weight loss challenge. After logging in as a challenge admin, click the Create Challenge button. Select the Generate a Weight Loss Challenge option and click Next. Click Next twice to select the default options and then select a start and end date. For this challenge, I selected the week before Thanksgiving and the week after New Year's. Click Finish when ready. Now that the weight loss challenge has been created, we need to adjust it to become a weight control challenge. To do this, we will adjust the leaderboard to change the emphasis from weight loss to weight maintenance. First, click the Edit Challenge button next to the challenge name. Then, click the option labeled Display Leaderboard with Lowest Value First and click Save. Next, select the option Percent Ascending, which will display the lowest values at the top of the leaderboard, and then click Save. Since the goal of this challenge is for participants to simply maintain their current weight, let's set the upper and lower bounds to show the acceptable range. First, click the Challenge Milestones button. Then, click the Add Milestone button and set the lower limit. For the value, I would recommend -0.75 or -1. Click Save. Click the Add Milestone button again and set the upper limit. For the value, I would recommend 0.75 or 1. Next, click Save twice to accept changes. Next, we would use the Add Participants button in the Participants panel to invite users to use the challenge. For the purposes of this demo, I will assume this has already been done and my participants have joined the challenge. Most admins have the ability to view and edit user data. Click the Switch to User View button. I'll choose the first user from the Select Participant dropdown and enter some data for them. Notice that the leaderboard is updated a few seconds after entering data, but since this type of activity requires at least 2 data entries to calculate the difference, it will just display 0. Please note that only admins have a Switch to Admin View button and a Select Participant dropdown. To get some meaningful results on the leaderboard, I'll keep the same participant, advance the date, and enter a slightly higher value for weight. As you can see, the leaderboard now shows the difference between 120 pounds and 121 pounds. I'll now select the second user from the Select Participant dropdown and enter some data for them on the prior date. With the same participant, advance the date and enter a slightly lower value for weight. The updated leaderboard now shows the difference between 170 and 169 pounds. In addition, the leaderboard also shows the upper and lower milestones so that the participants know the acceptable range. If awards are given out, you can either select the users closest to 0 or create a raffle for those in the acceptable range. Thank you for viewing this demonstration of a Maintain, Don't Gain challenge with Challenge Runner. For more information, please navigate to challengerunner.com/blog/maintain don't gain or use the QR code.